Let me change to the root user at first. Then set up the password. Now add the PPA which contains Java by using the command sudo add -apt -repository PPA /web upd8 team/java. Just update the machine. Now that the PPA repository has been added to Ubuntu, run the command sudo apt install Oracle Java 8 installer to download Oracle Java 8 installer. The installer should install the latest Java JDK 8 on your Ubuntu machines. When you run the commands, then you'll be prompted to access the license terms of the software, accept and continue. Set Oracle JDK 8 as default. To do that, install the Oracle Java 8 set default package. Now you are successfully installed Java 8 in your machine. You can check the update by using the command apt update.